Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in today. In today's video we're going to be making this delicious, very delicious and tasty ogbono soup. So it's going to be a quick video but very informative, guys. If you want to see how I'll be achieving and cooking this delicious ogbono soup, please keep on watching. If you are new to the channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. To season my protein, I'm going to be blending the pepper and onions, and for protein today I'll be using okporoko, my goat meat, shaki, and yes, I also have cow foot, but the cow foot is already cooked, so I'm just going to set that aside. And yes, for seasoning I will be using salt and my Maggi and the blended onions and scotch bonnets. So that's just what I'm going to be using for the protein. Nothing serious, just salt, the onions and pepper, and the seasoning cube. So guys, crayfish, dada, and ogiri, those are your local, like special local spices that will take your ogbono soup to another level. Like it will enhance the taste of your ogbono soup. You guys should give it a try. Like these are secret ingredients that you should try. So I blended them, so I'm going to set it aside. I'll show you guys when I'll be using it. So for the start of the show, the grounded ogbono powder, so I actually brought the seed from Nigeria. So I brought it, washed the seed, dried it, and blend. So that's how I like it actually, because if you take it home, if you buy the trust me, if you buy the seed, take it home, wash it, if you see the dirt that comes out of it. So I just always imagine if you don't wash it and you just blend it like that, man. So just try to do that. But if you don't have blender at home, you can always, still take the seed, wash it, and dry before taking it back to the market to blend, just to be safe. Yeah, so back to my protein. It's about 40 to 45 minutes now, and the texture of the protein very nice. So remember the ogiri, crayfish, pepper, and dawa that I blended. So I'm just going to pour it into the meat stock, add more water, allow it to boil for a bit, and then now remember the cooked cow foot that I showed you at the beginning. Time to introduce it, and I have done that, and be pouring the ogbono mixture. I already added palm oil to the mixture, so you guys saw me doing that. So I already added the palm oil to it, and I'm just going to keep stirring to activate the slime. So you need to add water according to what you're going for. Ogbono soup, actually it thickens up very fast, so you need to add water to loosen it up, because if you don't add enough water, it will just be really thick. So I'm going to be adding more water now, and just to loosen it up. And you guys, I'm not going to be adding salt. This is because you guys remember that I poured the mixture into the with the meat and the meat stock water in the pot. So you remember that I already seasoned the protein, so there was absolutely no need, because after tasting it, the salt was still there. So you can adjust with more oil if you want, and if you don't want more oil, please just leave it like that and just continue to stir. Leave it for like 15 minutes. Taste to actually adjust if you need more seasoning. If you don't need any more seasoning and you're comfortable with the taste you have, so leave it. I added more seasoning cube to mine, but that's just about it. I'm not going to add salt because the salt is perfect. So I'm just going to keep stirring, and I'm not going to cover it. Yeah, please don't cover it. You're just going to leave it open and keep stirring it. So for this is about 15 minutes later, actually not up to 20 minutes, you guys can see that it has thickened up again. So it thickens up really fast, like it thickens up. So you have to be able to determine the water quantity you would be putting. So now I'm going to be adding my uziza leaf. So this is the dry uziza leaf. I brought it from Nigeria. So to make it softer and activate it, I'll normally soak it in like hot water for like 1 minute, remove the hot water and then put cold water just to make it softer, and that's just about it. And I'm going to allow it cook up for like 3 to 5 more minutes. But you guys, I always cook on low to medium heat, and that's about it, guys. Look at what we have. You can serve this with your food, guys. I really love like ogbono soup with fufu. Oh, you see, fufu pounded, you can serve it with fufu, pounded yam, gari. It's really nice, really nice. So yes, guys, this is the end of the video. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Please, if you've gotten to this point with me, please just click on the subscribe button. It will mean a lot to me. If you subscribe and like this video, YouTube will recommend this video to other viewers. So just please click on the subscribe button, the red button down. Just click on it and click on your notification bell button so you are the first to be notified every time I upload a new video. It will mean a lot to me, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.